It took me 4 months just to upload one video. Not because I was busy, not because I was scared of being judged, scared of my broken English, my pronunciation, my accent, my tone, my grammar. But today I am here. So if you feel the same, this story is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi. This is day 16 of my 50 day English speaking challenge. Today I am going to share how I started my YouTube channel for learning English. So, my journey actually started on 10th August 2025 when I created my first YouTube channel named Talkies Try. I was very excited at that time. But do you know what happened next? It took me almost 4 months to upload my first video. Yes, 4 months. Finally, on 24th November 2025, I uploaded my first video. And from December to January, I kept uploading videos on that channel. But honestly, I made lot of mistakes. My pronunciation was not clear. My grammar was weak. My confidence was low. But deep inside, I knew I needed a fresh start. So in February 2026, I created this new channel, Learn English with Prachi. But the biggest problem was not my English, it was my fear. I was afraid that people would judge me. I used to think, what if people laughed at me? What if my English is not good enough? Because of this fear, I was not consistent. Sometimes I practiced for 2 days. Then I stopped for 10 days. Again I started, again I stopped. There was no consistency, and without consistency, there is no improvement. But everything changed on 24th November 2025 when I uploaded my first video. That was the day my real English journey started. Not when I was planning, not when I was thinking, not when I actually took action. From that day, I started improving slowly day by day. I am still not perfect, but I am much better than before. If you are making the same mistake I made, please stop waiting. Don't wait for perfect English. Don't wait for confidence. Because confidence comes after starting, not before. So, if you really want to improve your English, do this. Start from today. If possible, create your own YouTube channel and upload video daily. And if you are not comfortable showing your face, no problem. Just take your phone, record 1 to 2 minute video daily and keep it to yourself. No need to show anyone. Just do this for 30 days consistently and then see the difference. My journey was slow. I made mistakes. I was scared, but I started and that changed everything. So please don't repeat my mistakes. Start today. Stay consistent and trust the process. If I can do it, you can do it too. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.